President Biden has signed the Social Security Fairness Act into law, which repeals the Windfall Elimination Provision and the government pension offset. So, what is this likely to mean for federal retirees? Let's take a look. Hi, everyone. I'm Ian Smith with fedsmith.com, here to talk to you about the Social Security Fairness Act that was just signed into law yesterday, as of the time of this recording, on a Sunday, no less, by President Biden. The key provision in this bill that's going to be of interest to retired federal employees is that it repeals the Windfall Elimination Provision, or WEP, and the government pension offset, or GPO. I'm not going to get into much detail here on those two items, but please check the links in the description for some related articles with additional information. The key point to know is that the WEP affects more people than the GPO. Now that the Social Security Fairness Act is now law, how many people are affected? We don't have hard numbers, but as I said, the WEP affects more people than the GPO. According to the Congressional Research Service, which has published some information on this, as of December 2023, approximately 3% of all Social Security recipients are impacted by the WEP, which is roughly 2.1 million people. Regarding the GPO, the Congressional Research Service says that also as of December 2023, 1% of all Social Security recipients, which is about 745,679 people, are impacted by that. Of those individuals, 51% were spouses and 49% were widowers. And of the impacted individuals by the GPO, about 68% of all GPO affected beneficiaries had their benefits fully offset, and about 32% had their benefits partially offset. Remember that the GPO impacts spouses and spousal beneficiaries. So what retired federal employees are probably really going to want to know who are impacted by this is, what's this going to mean for my monthly benefits payments? Well, again, we don't have specific information and everybody's situation is different, but we do have some estimates from the Congressional Budget Office that did an analysis of the Social Security Fairness Act before it became law. Regarding the WEP, the Congressional Budget Office said that eliminating the WEP would increase monthly payments by about $360 per month on average by December 2025. And that number would go up to $460 on average by December 2033. Regarding the GPO, the Congressional Budget Office estimates that by December 2025, monthly benefits would increase by an average of $700 for 380,000 spouses, and by an average of $1,190 for 330,000 surviving spouses. By December 2033, those numbers would increase by $860 per month on average for spouses and $1,520 per month for surviving spouses. So, how would the Social Security Fairness Act be implemented? Details are limited at this point, but the Social Security Administration is the agency that's going to be responsible for implementing the new law, and it's currently evaluating how to do this. We do know that per the text of the legislation, some payments will be made retroactively to January 2024. When and how this gets done, however, is ultimately going to be up to the Social Security Administration. The Social Security Administration has published some information on their website. Again, details are limited. The statement that's published on their website basically just says, the Social Security Fairness Act eliminates the reduction of Social Security benefits while entitled to public pensions from work not covered by Social Security. The Social Security Administration is evaluating how to implement the act. We will provide more information as soon as available. What's important to know, however, is that if you're among the impacted individuals, no action is necessary on your part in order to get the increased payments. However, it is a good idea for you to verify that the Social Security Administration has your current mailing address and direct deposit information on file. This can be done on the Social Security Administration website using a My Social Security account. I'll include a link in the description to that for reference. I'm sure what retired federal employees are probably really wanting to know is, how is this going to impact me and my situation? And will it impact me? We've received a number of questions from our readers about this, and unfortunately, I cannot answer those directly. The best thing you can do in the meantime is consult with experts regarding your particular situation and circumstances. So this might include financial advisors, tax professionals, or retirement benefits experts. And of course, the Social Security Administration will be issuing more information as it becomes available. FedSmith will continue to keep you updated as more information becomes available. So be sure to check the fedsmith.com website, because we'll be posting updates as soon as we have new information about the Social Security Fairness Act and how it's being implemented. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like or subscribe. And don't forget to visit the fedsmith.com website to see all of our latest news articles. We also have a free email list that you can sign up for on the website to get our news updates sent directly to your inbox. Happy New Year!